Hello everyone. So this is simple interest part. Next part, you can check my channel playlist. You will get all the type of questions on simple interest for SSC, railways, and different type of government job you are doing. And if there is a simple interest chapter sums, you're gonna get all the things. So in this video, I'm going to teach you 5 sums. First sums is, here you go. Just read once. 800 become rupees 956 in 3 years. Okay. At certain rate of simple interest, if the rate of interest is increased by 4%, what amount will become rupees 800 in 3 years? So first we need to find how much our rate of interest was previously, and after that adding to those what our rate of interest. So I've taught some rules. You can check my first video on simple interest. So let's start. So basically I say that rule number 1, very easy rule, the formula 1, simple interest equals to, first we need to find simple interest, then 956 minus 800, we get 156 is our simple interest. To find rate, there is a formula, you must be knowing it, simple interest into 100 whole divided by principal into time. So this is our formula by which we are going to get the rate. So simple interest is 156 into 100, principal is around 800, and the time is 3 years. 0 gonna cut it. 8 5 7 3 15. Okay, 5 2 4. This is going to be 216. It's around 10.5%. Okay, no, am I wrong somewhere? 5 2 and 2 4. It is going to 6.5%, and then after adding 4% we're gonna get 10.5%. See, previously the rate when interest increased 156 in 3 years, then the rate was 6.5%. Now with new rate, we will say this new rate, what is our new simple interest? So simple interest equals to, principal is 800 into year is 3, and into rate is 10.5 divided by 100. This is SI equals to P into R into T divided by 100. So there you go. Okay, 80, 84, 84 into 3, 240, 8 into 3 is 24. No, sorry, 5, 12. It's going to come to 52 is our new interest, and amount is 800 plus 252 152. So this video might get longer, so stay connected because you're gonna get to learn lot of new tricks and about the simple interest. So the next question says that a person deposit rupees 400 for 2 years and 550 for 4 years and 1200 for 6 years. He received simple interest rupees 1020. So we need to find the rate of interest. What was the rate of interest? So we will also use rule 1 in this. So basically for first year the simple interest was 400 into 2 into the rate is not given, R by 100, plus second was 550 into 4 years into rate is not given plus 1200 into 6 into rate is not given equals to, what was our interest? 1020. So we will take 100 this. Okay. We can cancel all those. 2, 1, 2, 5, 11, 2. So 8R plus 22R plus 12 into 6, 60, 72R equals to 1202. So our rate is 120, 22, 80, 120, R equals to 1202. So rate is 1020 by 102, 10. So our rate is 10. So this we got easily. So you can get there might be easy sum available, so don't worry, hard sums also going to be available. Sorry for this adjustment. So the next sum is here, you just go through it once. So what's it say? Manoj deposit 29400 for 6 years at a simple interest. He got rupees itna as interest for 6 years, the annual rate. So in this also we need to find rate. So you just do as I did this. Just we need to do for 1, and over here we needed to do for 3 years at 3 times. So over here we only have to do once. I am trying myself, you try by your own. Just see who complete this very quickly. I am using calculator, okay. So I got the answer. What's your answer? If it's matching, it's correct. It's very easy. It's a basic formula which we have used in previous. Simple interest equals to PRT by 100. This is our formula. Rule number 1. Very easy. Let's go to the next sum, where we will see more difficult sum. And please bear the background sound. It's like construction is going in this building, so there is some sound. So a man lent rupees 6,000 partly at 5% and the rest at 4% simple interest. If the total annual interest is 2560, the money lent at 4% was. Might be tricky, but we can do it. So first we will do, let the amount lent at 4% be X. Let the 4% be X and amount lent to 5% be what will be that? That will be around amount lent at 5% equals to 60,000 minus x, because first one is this and this is our second scenario. So we will do once again that only. Principal minus x into 5 into 1 whole divided by 100. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, I am doing it correct. Plus x into 4 into 1 by 100. What's our simple interest? 2560. We need to find for 4%. Okay, so 6000 minus 5x plus 4x equals to 25600. So basically x equals to 44,000. 4,000 and 40,000 is 44,000. So the x value for 4% will be 44,000, and adding, subtracting this, the other will be that. So this might be tough. You go and do by yourself once, then check this video out. Pause the video and do by yourself. Next sum is quite tough, quite long. It might take time or you may feel boring. So just see till the end. Okay, a sum of money at some rate of simple interest amount 2 rupees itna in 8 years and 2 rupees 3,000 in 10 years. The rate of interest is what we need to find. The rate of interest. So first we need to make some equations. Okay, this I am not going to do. I am just going to tell you the answer and you solve by yourself once. Okay. If you solve, okay, I am saying you the answer. The rate of interest is 2%. Just solve by yourself and comment your answer down below that you have got correct or not. If haven't got correct, comment that I haven't got correct. If the